Metro Station. Simin Metro Station. At marami kami nakitang mga, ano Mia? Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Hello guys! Para sa mga nagtanong, ito yung aming ginamit from tayong airport papunta sa main station. Ayan, bumili kami ng yan, purple color chip. One ride lang yan papunta sa Taipei main station.
Inas lang namin dun sa cashier, dun sa may entrance ng metro station.
So from Taipei main station, sabi niya bibili daw kami ng EC card to ride another train. So ayan kami guys. After a long flight, long na yun kay Mia. Oh, ayan. Okay. Let's see. So, papunta daw doon. Express color purple, tapos express train papunta sa Taipei main station. So we are waiting. Let's see, 5:49 daw ang dadating.
It takes about 35 to 40 minutes via express train, the purple color, to reach the Taipei main station. And if you're gonna take a taxi, about 40 to 60 minutes.
A few moments later. Few inches later.
Let's do this, Mia. You have to drop the coin. Ayan o, insert the coin. Insert the coin. Okay. Go. Okay. And then mommy's turn. Yes, we survived. Okay, now we have to buy a ticket.
Story time guys, ganito ang nangyari sa amin. Nag-exit kami kaagad without going to the machine or sa cashier. We thought sa Family Mart, once we exit, makakabili kami ng EC card. Wala pala! Out of stock guys. Kaya, ayan, we waited sa line kahit konti lang yung tao kasi konti lang yung taxi nila, about 20 to 30 minutes, then we're able to ride this taxi. Hindi naman kami niloko guys, as per the meter naman, so mga binayaran lang namin is parang mga 99 Taiwanese dollar. Yun.
The next day.
Guys, ayan, we bought our easy card dito sa Hello Kitty Metro Station. Simin Metro Station. At marami kami nakitang mga, ano Mia? Mga living anime. Hindi, joke lang. Baka may event. Yun lang. Later. Mia, what's that motto? Let's get lost. No, we will find a way. So we have to go green line. Ayun. Mayroong marker. We will see the marker. Here, oh. Pag mali, then you have to go up. Bababa tayo ng Songshan. Saan tayo? Mali. Kasi graded yun. So, papunta siya dito. Tama? Oo, papunta siya doon. Pag graded, ibig sabihin, wala. So, we need to go to...
A few moments later.
So, pag nagkamali kayo, yung color, yung graded one, ibig sabihin hindi sila pupunta doon. Ito, pupunta sila doon. So, nandito na kami ni Mia sa Taipei main station. So, bababa kami sa Chiang Kai-shek muna. Chiang Kai-shek muna. Tapos, diretso sa Taipei 101. Tapos, the same way din, tayo babalik. Okay? Saan? Ayan, oh. Very organized. Ikaw, oh, dito very organized din, oh. Oh, nakapila silang lahat. Right, Mia? Yeah. Bawal ang singit.
So we're going there, and then mommy doesn't want
So she's gonna find another exit, but I forced her to. No, kaya mo yan, bro. I've been trying. Oh my God, di lang yan, no.
Anong content? Nakita mo ba yan?
Di lang.
Hindi na tayo makakarating talaga ng Jufen. Mas mataas na dito ang Jufen.
This is how many steps I go. Many steps I go. Diba, I video you para.
Don't video me, matapos ka.
There's an
Exit 4 is there. Dapat nag-exit 3 tayo. Yes, Mia. Tapos may elevator din.
Ang lapa lang.
All that struggle, mission complete, guys, just to see this beautiful place.
A few moments later.
Okay, we are car 2. Ayan guys, oh. Hindi graded, so it means papunta dyan yung train. So, dito tayo sa number 3. Oh, ayan. Saan tayo siya? Ngayon talaga. Ayan guys, oh. Ngayon siya nag-decide mag-download, okay? It looks cool eh. It looks cool. Sige na kasi hindi gumana yung magnet niya. Her idea did not work, guys. So she will try. Okay. Yan. Dito kami sa City Hall. Doon yung Taipei 101. Pero we will go first dito sa City Hall. Okay, go, go. Mauna ka na. Alam ko paglabas mo, kita mo mga ano dyan. Go. Ano? Taas ba? Mia, do you have a surprise there? I'm telling you, there's a surprise. Tadan, tadan, tadan. Dito yun eh. Ay hindi, sinaraduan na nila. Oh no, it's not this one.
Well, guys, ayan, lumalabas naman kami ng metro. That's how easy yung kanilang metro. So, marami silang exit which sometimes nakakalito. Pero, it will take you to the right direction. Yung mga platform nila, sakto lang kasi naka-graded. Malalaman mo kung yun yung totoong, yun yung platform mo kasi nga, yun yung may mga color. Tapos, of course, for navigation, we use Google Map. Ayan, no, nakikita nyo. Yung pinipili ko talaga yung nagtuturo ng direction kasi para alam namin. Usually, hindi lang dito sa Taiwan, sa maraming places. And of course, medyo maulan na nagpunta kami sa Taiwan or sa Taipei. Kaya we use a taxi. By the way, using taxi, you have to download the app Uber. Yun. So, Uber ang ginagamit namin to book a taxi over here. Well, so far, our experience naman is okay kasi makikita mo yung navigation, yung information ng taxi driver at saka yung price rate. Pero, if you're gonna wave a taxi, make sure na hindi, yung what I meant is yung meter niya dapat hindi yun masyadong mabilis, yung sakto lang, makikita nyo naman yun, hindi mabilis. So far yung experience namin yung first day na galing kami sa Taipei main station, hindi naman kami naloko. So okay lang kasi marami ring nag-feedback na be careful dun sa mga metered taxi kasi yung iba nanloloko. Pero dito naman yung experience namin magnanay, okay naman. So ayan si Kuya, as you can see, ang lakas ng ulan. Ayan. So yun lang guys, that's our experience. So that's our metro guide or transportation guide or sneak peek on our last journey to Taipei. So if we can do it guys, you can do it also. So yun lang. Thank you for watching guys.
难以忘记初次见你，一双迷人。